Hello to all my car guru shoppers out there. This is Car Guru Corey, right here at Bellamy Strickland, Chevrolet Buick GMC, right here in McDonough, Georgia. And today we're going to highlight a 2020 GMC Sierra 5.3 V8. This one is the SLT trim level with the Sherrod package. The Sherrod package is a 6-inch lift kit. Good thing about this Sherrod package is that they are a authorized GM manufacturer. So the warranty that they offer on the lift kit mirrors the factory warranty. The 5-year 60,000 powertrain, 3-year 36 bumper to bumper. So it covers every piece of equipment on that 6-inch lift. So let's just dive right on in. Let's take a look at her. Hopefully you like her, you know? All right. Yeah. It's a pretty color on there. That's satin steel metallic. Got those fender flares here. 20-inch Mayhem custom wheels, LZ1 edition. The MSRP on this one is $67,685. Got the Sherrod stitch in there. Let's hop up here. Yeah. All right, that's your infotainment system here. Backup camera. That's your trailering app. They do a self-check for you. It's pretty cool. Dual air leather seats here, integrated brake controller. Got a converter there, USB port, cigarette lighter. All right, you can lift this up here. Got a little storage compartment there that is lockable. Rear sliding window. Universal home remote here. Get a month free with OnStar, 3 months free XM radio. Of course, Bluetooth is standard. Heated steering wheel. All right, and this is a 4-wheel drive. And so now, okay, so it's not an SLT, it's an SLE. Okay. SLE trim level here. Okay. There's your. Finally, they gave us some space in the new body styles here. Got an underneath storage compartment here. Rear storage. We'll lift up here on these assist steps. There's your vents down at the bottom, couple USB ports. They're real spacious back here. And like I said, there's some more information about the this rough country package here. The main thing on this here is you know, that on that maintenance, you know, they're going to retorque all the nuts, bolts, you know, especially those U-bolts on this suspension. All of this is completely covered, so that's what you want. And underneath here, you got a gun safe that's lockable, so keep that heat under the seat, right? All right. So it's the SLE 4-wheel drive. Easy lift gate. Got a converter back here in the tailgate, in the bed. It's my hitch. 4-wheel drive. Looks like a short box. Yeah, good looking truck here. All right, 2020 GMC Sierra 4-wheel drive SLE in that beautiful satin steel metallic color Sherrod package right there here at Bellamy Strickland. So hey, if you feel like this is a truck for you, reach back out to us. Car Guru Corey right here at Bellamy Strickland. Thanks for watching.